Ditch the templates and take control, because today, we're building your own website from scratch using Adobe Dreamweaver. First up, let's launch Dreamweaver and create a new blank HTML document. Choose File, then New, and select a standard HTML page. Click Create. And now we've got our canvas ready for action. Next we have to select a location to save our website inside the document. Click Files here, create a local root folder where your project will be stored. Think of this as your website's home base. You will then rename your file as indexed, and this is crucial as it tells browsers which file to load first. Now, it's time to add content. Use the Insert panel to put in some initial elements. Add a heading for your website title. Then, below it, a paragraph to say something about yourself. Switch between the design view to see how your website will look and the code view to see the underlying HTML. We're able to visualize our design. This dual view feature is Dreamweaver's superpower. Want to include images? No problem. Click Insert, select Image, find your image on your computer, and place it where you want resides and position it as needed. The Properties panel at the bottom is your editing magic wand. Adjust text styles, add hyperlinks to other pages or websites, and customize all the design elements on your page. Finally, to see your website live, click File, then Preview in browser. Congrats! You've officially started your website building journey. Now get creating.